What do we have
As you know, it is Burns' night tonight, and he wrote this most wonderful poem called Ode to the Haggis. Now, on these occasions, I'm expecting you to remember it word for word, praise it, and do it. You have a copy of the poem here. I'm only going to do the first 3 verses. That is, if I get past the first and second verses. We're about to start now.
So you can all prompt him tonight.
You can Right, you can prompt me. What's the first line?
Good start.
Fair fire your honest, sonsy face, great chieftain o' the Puddin race. Above them all ye tak your place, age, tripe or thairm. Full worthy are they o' grace, as lang's my airm. The groaning trencher, oh, there ye fill. Your hardies, like a distant hill. Your pin would help to mend a mill in time of need. And through your pores distill the Jews distill. Sorry, what the Jews got to do with it? And through your pores the juice distill like amber bead. Do I get any protection?
Do we?
Right, I'll just give it a wee. His knife wi' rustic labour dight, cut sharp with ready slight, trenching your gushing entrails bright like ony ditch. And then, oh, what a glorious sight! Warm, reeking, rich. Enjoy your haggis.
So what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is Kate and I are going to fill up dishes of haggis from the kitchen, and we've got a couple of monitors today, Helen and Judy, and they're going to pass the haggis along to you, and then we've got all the potatoes and sweet